Hello guys, welcome to my channel. This is Anthony from Joyce here, and today we will talk about the difference between Remy hair and virgin hair, and I will bring with the samples to compare the Remy hair with virgin hair. So simply difference between Remy hair and the virgin hair is one, Remy hair is processed hair, and and virgin hair is non-chemical processed hair. Talk about the Remy hair. The Remy hair is a term which is different from non-Remy hair compared with non-Remy hair. So both of the Remy hair and non-Remy hair are made of the hair which is mixed with different donors' hair, and firstly the labor will detangle all the hairs, and then the hair will go through a Remy machine and the Remy machine will make the different direction hair, make it to the same direction, and then go through the chemical process, and then the hair will be processed with chemical, and then they will make another like oil treatment to the hair to make the hair Remy hair looks shining and soft and silky soft, and make the Remy hair. The non-Remy hair is not able to be making the same direction. So non-Remy hair basically is the hair is totally in different directions, and so it has to be 100% chemical process to remove all the cuticles, and so that's why the Remy hair is better than the non-Remy hair, because Remy hair anyway is in the same direction by a machine, and non-Remy hair is totally in a different direction, and it goes through all 100% chemical process. And this is the Remy hair I have right now. Both of the Remy hair. This is one of the Remy hair is B grade, and the other Remy hair is. This is the hair we have right now. This is the Remy hair from us, and one is the B grade and one is the A grade, and we have fuller Remy hair as well, which is fuller at the end. And you can see this is very good hair. It's very much silky, soft, and shining as well. This kind of hair is very good, and it can be used for a long time, and it's affordable compared with virgin hair, so it's why it becomes most popular in the market. And then we talk about the virgin hair. Virgin hair is totally different. Virgin hair is directly cut from the donor's head, and so all the virgin hair is originally in the same direction. There's no it doesn't need to going through the sewing machine, a Remy machine or anything, so it's originally already being in the same direction. And the best Remy hair is what we have right now is single donor Remy hair. This one bundle hair is totally made with the hair which coming from one single donor, and so all the hair is originally already being in the same direction. It doesn't need to be chemical processed, so and so it's 100% with all the cuticles. And the best hair is unprocessed. It doesn't need any oil treatment to make it silky smooth or whatever. It's already silky smooth, and it's with 100% cuticle compared with Remy hair. Remy hair is not 100% chemical, so cuticle anyway. Remy hair is chemical processed, and this is non-chemical process. This kind of hair can endure for much longer time, and this is most luxury as well. This kind of hair material is much more expensive than the Remy hair and non-Remy hair material. And this is our single donor virgin hair. So let's compare with these two hairs. This is Remy hair, good Remy hair, very good, and this is posh. This is great and wonderful virgin hair. So all of them are very much silky soft. and it's fuller as well. This is 22 inches and this is 20 inches. This kind of Remy hair, it can be used more than a year or 2 years or 3 years. This kind of a hair, you can use it for more than 5 years, even 10 years. And this hair can be, Remy hair can be bleached to color 27. It clarifies very well, and this can be bleached to any color, can be making any texture, any color. You can bleach to 613, you can bleach to 60 as well. And so what I think is, if you want good hair, and this can be your perfect choice. If you think both from the financial perspective or hair quality perspective, and if you want a really good hair which lasts a very much long time, and you go for with this version here, is noticeable better, and you can use a very longer time. And that's it for today, and hopefully I make everything clear. And if you still have any question, please comment below or message me. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.